Hope you are doing well in your life. So we gather here to discuss about our project. Project is totally based on selecting suitable matrix for 3D printing or mass housing, and these are the ingredients we use. I am going to explain it one by one. First of all, we start with the material. The material we are going to use is first very important in our industry, and that is cement. Second is fly ash, then GGBS, then for mortar we add sand, then after when sometime after some time gone in the project, we introduce the NaOH solution, which require 40 gram for 1 molar solution, and after all these castings, and then we conduct tests for test. We check standard consistency and setting time. For that we use this apparatus named as Vickert apparatus, and for from that testing we found results, and these are the we can say setting time results for setting time and standard consistency. After finding out setting time and standard consistency, the amount of water required for we can say form of paste.
Well, as I tell track, my colleagues Akshay Avarise, some apparatus who are using the sustainable matrix for the some he say cement, fly ash, GGBs, and also we are used for the sand for the getting the mortar for our get a sustainable matrix. So in that getting he say the some Vickert apparatus, we have some consistency needles. This is the consistency needle. This is the initial setting time, and this will be the final setting times. Also it will be the some trays. Also to find the sieve analysis, it's a size for the 30 micron, 300 micron, 150 micron, 75 microns. It will be on the range. Also for the measurement of the water, there will be the one cylinder we have provided. Also some cube also we have casting for the construction casting of the block. In that which we are used also oils.
So just before Mohit Bhagre said and introduced materials and the things we are going to use. Now it's time about telling about casting. First of all, we take found out the initial setting time and final setting time for cement paste. We got that initial setting time for cement paste is
43 minutes.
43 minutes, and final setting time is
5 to
20 minutes, and along with that we start the casting. First of all, we use 50 by 50 by 50, which is a wooden block, and this is the shape and size of that particular block. We take a paste of cement, which is 100% cement, which is our first block. For second block, we use combinations like fly ash plus GGBS, fly ash plus cement, GGBS plus cement, then GGBS plus fly ash plus cement. After casting these different types of blocks, we take a test. We take them for curing, and then for something trying new, we introduce NaOH.
As Akshay says that our normal mortar construction, there will be the use of the water for the to get the hydration process complete. But in that way, I have getting the OPC 53 grade of cement. In that way, we will be getting Akshay say 43 minutes for initial setting time, and final setting time will be the 520 minutes. It is very too much. So we have construct for the 3D printing or printer. We have made to very fast rapid construction that will be used. So we have to increase the setting time of the mortar we have making. So we have to introduce the NaOH for the reduce the setting time of the concrete. or mortar. So we have preferred the NaOH for the 1 molar solutions for the different combinations like cement plus fly ash, cement plus GG players, and also combination of the three will be provided. With also we have to add the sand and as to 1:3 ratio. So some gate sand result will be after that.
After introduction of the NaOH in this particular project, first of all we have to find the setting time and final setting time of NaOH and consistency of NaOH. For that we just replace water with NaOH solution, which we get by using of 40 gram of NaOH for that 1 mole of solution. When we get a final setting time and initial setting time, we get to know that the initial setting time, if we use NaOH, is 12 minutes and final setting time is
160 minutes.
yes, and which is very much in as per our need, because we want rapid construction, so that we get to know that after comparison that replacing water with NaOH is a good move, which really going to be beneficial for the industry and we can say our project. So after that, as we say, the same combination we use for use of water, we also try same combination for NaOH, and for that this is 50 by 50 by 50 mm cube, and then after this paste we get to in a mortar, and for ratio for mortar is 1:3, and with this we cast this type of cubes, which is a mortar cube, and different type of combination which going to be settle in that ratio, which denoted as 1, and third one is we know that it's sand, and after casting this we get this for heat of hydration process, and then after 15 days we get test on that, which is compression test. The pond we use for curing, time period is 15 days.
14.
Universal testing machine, which is used for compression test. So this is the cube which we did by using 1:3 ratio, which is with water, and this one with NaOH, and the cube size is 17.7 into 70.7 into 70. So this is how we get the compression strength. We also take compression strength for this cement paste also, which is also a combinations of different types of material, and after that we found the result, and through the result we compare the things between with each other, and through that we get to know that with the NaOH solution and percentage of cement high, we get higher strength. With the introduction of GGBS, strength will down some by some amount, and with fly ash it is also go downwards, but more than GGBS, less than cement, and through this and when we introduce NaOH, we also get to know that NaOH also add some factor in strength also add a factor in we can say setting time also. And with this addition, we get to know that NaOH is a better option than water. So yeah, all these things